Hello everyone to your grammar class in Code and Communicate channel. So today we are going to learn the seventh part of speech, that is a conjunction. Alright, and in the previous class we have learned what? We have learned about the preposition, and in today's class we'll see what is conjunction. Okay, then types, we'll see the types of conjunction, then examples in a very short. Okay, then we'll learn first what is a conjunction. Okay, then we'll learn the definitions. We'll see the definitions, what is a conjunction's definition. So to understand conjunction, see here, first I will give you the example. Okay, suppose I have a gum. Suppose I have a gum. Okay, and I want to paste. Okay, or this is what? Suppose there are two papers with me. There are two papers with me. Okay, suppose I want to stick this paper together. Okay, so with the help of what I will stick? With the help of gum. Yes or no? Who will help to stick this papers? The gum is going to help this to stick this paper. Yes or no? So who is helping here? The gum is helping. So the conjunction is nothing. It's just same like gum. Okay, that which connects, which joins. What will join? Let's see in the definition. Now see, what is the definition here? A conjunction is a word that joins, okay, or connects. A conjunction is a word that joins two or more words. Okay, it might be two words or more than two words, or phrases or sentences together. All right, now see, understand this very clearly, that a conjunction is a word that joins two or more words. Okay, two or more words, phrases or sentences together. So you know what is words. Okay, now see, what is phrases? Phrases here means what? Phrases here means phrases means what? A phrases is that type of a sentence which makes a incomplete sense. Okay, which it is a group of what, but it doesn't make a complete sense. That is called what? That is called phrase. Okay, or sentences together. There might be two sentences, there might be three sentences, but with the help of conjunction, what we will do? We will stick, means we will combine those sentences to make shorter and clear. Okay, now we'll see the example. Now see, these are the words and, but, or, so, for, nor, yet. These are the word of conjunction which help to join the sentences or words or phrases, just like the gum. So these words are going to work like gum in a sentence. All right, now let's move on. Now see the example here. Ria and Neha are friends. Okay, now see, where is the conjunction here? The conjunction here is and. Yes or no? The conjunction here is and. Now what is joining? It is joining two nouns. How many nouns? There are two nouns. See, Ria and Neha. Ria and Neha are what? They are friends. So who is connecting here? Means who is joining these two nouns? This and conjunction is helping to join this what? To join this sentences, to make a complete sentence. Yes or no? All right, so next we'll see what? Next we'll see that why do we use conjunctions? Okay, why do we use conjunction in a sentence? Okay, let's see here. Number one is what? To avoid repeating words. Okay, what? To avoid repeating words. We'll understand in a sentence this. Okay, then to join ideas. All right, next is what? To make sentence shorter and clearer. All right, now next we'll learn what? Next we'll learn types of conjunctions. Now there are three types of conjunction. All right, how many types of conjunction? There are three types of conjunction. So number one is what? Coordinating conjunction. We are going to learn in a very short. Okay, and in the next video I'm going to explain in detail. all these things. Okay, so now this coordinating conjunction. Now see, they join two equal parts. What does it means? What does it means that they joins two equal parts here? Okay, now see, it means that, okay, it means that coordinating conjunction join similar kinds of things. Okay, similar kinds of things. These things can be two words. Okay, the similar kinds of things, these things can be two words. Like for example, see in a sentence here, I like tea and coffee. What I like tea and coffee, means I like both. Even I like tea also I like, and even coffee also like. Yes or no? Now see, tea and coffee are what? Tea and coffee are of the same thing. Yes or no? Are of the same thing. Okay, so they are what? They are noun. They are equal kinds of word. Yes or no? They are equal kinds of word. So this is what? Now here, and is our conjunction, and it is joining what? Similar kinds of things. All right, now we'll move on to the next point. The next point is what? To phrase. Okay, the next point is our to phrase. Now see, two phrases. Example. Okay, we'll see the example. She is good at singing and dancing on stage. Okay, she is good at what? She is good at singing also and dancing also. Yes or no? And where? On stage. So we can see the phrase. See, it is talking about phrase here, no? So where is the phrase here? See here, singing on stage and dancing on stage. Okay, singing on stage and dancing on stage are two phrases. Yes or no? Because singing on stage means what? It is not making a complete sense. It is incomplete sense. Yes or no? And dancing on stage also what? It is incomplete sense. So these are called what? These are called phrases. So the word and connects these two action phrase. So what this conjunction will do? What this conjunction will do? This conjunction will help these phrases to connect, to join. Okay, now see here, this and is doing what? This and is helping these phrases to join to make a complete sentence. Now see, she is good at singing and dancing on stage. Can you see that? Can you see in this phrase singing? If I'll say that she is, okay, she is good at singing. Okay, she is good at singing. And also I may write she is good at dancing. Okay, I will also write what? On stage, stage, stage. Here also I will write what? On stage. Okay, now see, there are two sentences. Yes or no? There are two sentences. She is good at singing on stage. She is good at singing. She is good at dancing on stage. So here I am getting what? Here I am getting the complete sentence. But we are talking about here the phrases. So see here, even in the sentences also, what we can do? We can shorten the sentence, and it will look good also, and it will look means professional also when we'll talk. Okay. So this is why we are using what? We are using conjunction. Okay, now see, it is very lengthy if you'll say she is good at singing on stage, she is good at dancing on stage. Yes or no? So what we will do? We will shorten these sentences. Yes. So say here, she is good at singing and dancing on stage. It is very short and sweet. Yes or no? In a one go only, the sentence is clear. Yes or no? So see, this phrases singing on stage, dancing on stage. Yes or no? The singing on stage and dancing on stage, these are phrases, and who is helping to add these phrases? This and conjunction is helping to add this sentences, means these phrases. All right, I hope this is clear to you. Now we'll move on. Okay, we'll move on to full sentences. Okay, I've already explained for the sentences also and for the phrases also, but still we'll see one more example. See here, example here, he is tired but he is working. Now see, in the first part, he is tired. Yes or no? I can write here, he is tired and he is working. Yes or no? So to make the sentence short and sweet, okay, to make the sentence very clear, I can say that he is tired but he is working. Okay, so both are what? Both are complete thoughts. Yes or no? The word but connects them. But this what? This but is what? But is also our conjunction. So this but is helping these two sentences to make a shorter and clear sentence. All right. Now next we'll see the second type of sentence. That is what? That is subordinate coordinate conjunction. Okay, subordinating conjunctions. What is second point? Second types of conjunction, that is subordinating conjunction. All right, now see, they join a dependent clause to an independent clause. Okay, this is, try to understand what is dependent clause and what is an independent clause. Okay, now what do you understand by the word dependent? First ask yourself. Okay, the meaning of dependent is what and the meaning of independent is what? Okay, independence, we celebrate Independence Day, no, means what? We are free. Okay, means you are doing yourself everything. Okay, means no one is there to guide you, means no one is there, means you are not taking anyone's help. Okay, means you are free. Okay, now dependence means you are depending on someone. Suppose you are studying, okay, suppose you are a child, okay, and you are studying and you are not working. Okay, so who is feeding you? Your parents are feeding, so you are dependent on your parents. So this word, they join a dependent clause to an independent clause. Okay, if you cannot understand, I'll make you understand with the help of example. See here, examples. See, subordinating conjunctions. Okay, the word subordinating conjunctions are because, although, if, when, since, until and unless. All these are important. Okay, subordinating conjunctions. Now see the example. We'll see the example, then we'll understand. Okay, now number one is what? I stayed at home because it was raining. Okay, see here, where is dependent clause? First we'll see where is dependent clause and where is independent clause. Okay, now independent clause is also known as complete sentence. Okay, complete sentence. All right, independent clause is also known as complete sentence. So where is complete sentence here? Can you see here, I stayed at home. Yes or no? I stayed at home. This is what? This is our complete sentence. So if I'll say because it was raining. Because it was raining. Okay, what is this? It is not making a complete sense. Yes or no? Means it is not a complete sentence. It is what? It is half. Means there is no subject. Yes or no? Here there is a subject also, there is verb also, and there is object also. So here is no subject. Yes. So what? This is clause. This is called what? This is clause. So this is what? This is dependent clause. Okay, this is what? This is dependent clause. Okay, so this dependent clause. Okay, now this dependent clause will not stand alone, but this will take the help of what? This will take the help of independent clause to make a complete sense. Okay, means this sentence is not going to stand alone. They are going, means this sentence is going to, means this dependent clause is going to take the help of dependent clause, that it will say that yes, I'm going to stay with you. Okay, then only what? Then only this sentence is going to become a complete. Okay, so can we see, can we understand this now sentence? I stayed at home because what? Now this, it is what? This is for reason also. Okay, reason, because what? That I stayed, why? Again, reason is here arising. Why I stayed at home? Because it was raining. All right, now see here, if you study, you will pass. Definitely, if we'll work hard, if we'll study, we will definitely pass. Yes or no? So where is the complete sentence here. Where is the independence clause here? Independence clause here is where? If you study, does it make a complete sense? Ask yourself. Okay, no, if you study, it doesn't make a complete sense. You will pass. Yes, this is what? Here is a subject, verb and object. Yes or no? Means there is subject also, there is verb also. Yes. So what? This is complete sense. It is making us sense. Okay. So you will pass. Here is a independent clause and here is a independent clause. Okay. So what it is doing? They are working together, because this dependent clause is not going to stand alone, but it is going to stand with whom? It is going to stand with independent clause. All right, so this is all about subordinating conjunctions. All right, and so in subordinating conjunctions, the words are because, although, if, when, since, until and unless. These are the words that comes under subordinating conjunction. We are going to learn all these words with understanding in the next video. All right, don't get don't be worried that ma'am she's not explaining all these words. All right, now we'll move on to next, that is point number 3, correlative conjunctions. Okay, correlative conjunction. Now what is the meaning of correlative conjunction? Now see, we'll understand. These come in pair to join equal parts of a sentence. Okay, means what here? Means these come in pair. Okay, pair, you know, no, like pair of socks, pair of shoes. Means if there is one socks, okay, suppose shoes. Okay, suppose shoes. Okay, if there is one pair of shoes, one pair of shoes, suppose there is one pair of shoes. So if one pair of shoes, one shoe is lost, one shoe is lost and the other one is with you, so it is not going to work. Yes or no? It is only going to work until and unless there are two shoes. Yes or no? Means one pair should be there. So what happened here? There, example, see here, pair, how it is going to work in pair? See here, how it is going to work in pair? Here, either or. Okay, these two pairs in a sentence. If in a correlative sentence, you will get, if there is either in a sentence, okay, then you will find or also. If there is either, you have to write or. If there is neither, then you have to write nor. If there is both, then you are going to write and. If there is what? Not, then you are going to only, but, and also. All right, these are the example of correlative conjunction. So let's see the example. Examples are, see here, either you come now or I will leave. All right, either you come now or I will leave. Now see, can you see this pair? Okay, it is working equal parts. Yes or no? It is working in equal parts. Now see the next example. Not only she sings but also dances. Or okay, now see, not only, can you see not only but what? But also. Okay, this one with this one. Okay, not this one with this one. Okay, so sorry, not only but also. Okay, not only but also. So this is what? This is the end of the explanation. So we have learned what? We have learned what is conjunction types and with examples also. Yes or no? So I hope this short explanation helps you what is conjunction and the types, and in details we'll learn what is 3 types of conjunction. That is what? That is, number 1 is what? Coordinating, subordinating and correlating. Okay, correlative. Okay, correlative conjunctions. So these are the 3 conjunctions. 3 types of conjunction that we are going to learn in the next video. So if you found my video helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe.